Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's episode, Mum and I prepare a Vietnamese dish called Wonton Egg Noodle soup. And basically, I requested this dish because it's gonna get hotter soon with spring around the corner. And yeah, I just wanted some noodles before it gets too hot. So tune in and see how we make it and how we enjoy it on a Sunday arvo. Oh, and my good friend Liam McInturf came over to try out the wontons. Enjoy! Alright guys, so the first step is to prepare the minced pork and the minced raw prawns. Add chopped up onions, finely chopped of course. You have to add salt, sugar and heavy pepper to your liking. And then pretty much what Mum's doing right now is just tossing it all together. And that is the consistency that you're looking for. Alright, so now Mum's just adding the mince mixture into the belly or the skin of the wonton. And she closes it together using a ziggy-zag sort of technique. And shaping it into a wonton shape. Easier said than done. And then here, this is the first time I've actually ever tried to put together a wonton ever, and I butchered this. I put way too much mince into the skin and I just stuffed it up. Look how horrible that is. Oh. Anyways, I did get better towards the end, but I just let Mum prepare it all pretty much. So now Mum's just adding it into the steaming pot where you put it over boiling water and then you shut the lid, and basically that is how you steam wontons. You can see that steam coming out of the holes through the pot. That's gonna steam perfectly. And that, my friends, is the end result. Perfectly steamed wontons, ready to be eaten.
Let me pick one up. Oh look, they're perfectly cooked. Look at that one. Ready? I'm gonna take a bite out of it. No sauce, it's hot as. LFG, let's go. Oh, the mint is so flavoursome. Look at that. Look at that, guys. These are so delicious. And you know what? You don't even have to steam them. You can fry them if you wanted. You could just eat these as is. You don't have to put them in any sort of noodles. You can enjoy them any way you want. Alright.
So now Mum's just blanching the egg noodles that she's opened up from the packets quickly into the boiling water, and they are ready to be served. These egg noodles you can find in any Asian grocer or even Woolies or Coles. She's even adding steamed bok choy. You can add whatever sort of greeny vegetables you want to add. You can make this dish your own. Bean sprout, broccoli, cauliflower, whatever you want. And now I'm just adding the cooked wontons for Liam. I'm preparing his bowl here. And we are ready to eat, folks. Mum's just adding the pork broth into the egg noodles. Look how beautiful that is. So now Liam's just topped it off with chopped shallots and cracked pepper, and finishing touches with dried onions, or fried onions rather. And we are almost done. Look at that bowl of perfection.
Look at that. Would you guys order that if Cafe Nair made it? If my folks made it in the restaurant? Can't wait to dig in. But it's not finished, alright? What you want to do is just add a little bit of soy sauce. Oh, with a bit of chili on it. Just, yeah, go for it, Liam. A little bit of chopped up chili. Ooh, not too much. Vietnamese people love their chili. Alright, look at that. Just a little bit of chili. And then to top it off, lemon juice. Look at that. Oh, look at that, guys. How good does that look? Alrighty. And you can eat this however you want. There's no right or wrong. But I always like to start with the broth. With any egg, with any noodle soup. So let me try this. Oh,
That's so good.
unbelievable.
You can really taste the prawns in the broth as well.
Mmm. Mmm. Alright, I'm gonna taste the egg noodle now. Look at that. Look at that. Ready? I'm gonna taste the egg noodle. Cooked to perfection by Mum. Thanks, Mum.
Thank you, Jenny.
That's it, guys. Egg noodle wonton soup. I'm gonna eat this with Liam and my brother. Sunday arvo tea, and then we're gonna have lemon slice for dessert. Cheers.
And to finish off the day, we had lemon slice prepared by Liam, and that was also so delicious. One of my favorite desserts. Thanks for joining me, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and let me know what Mum and I should prepare for next time. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.